Welcome. Today I am with HUAWEI FreeBuds 4i, and today I'll show you how we can enable or disable smart wear detection. So at first you have to go for the AI Live application. Next, open charging case of your FreeBuds. When they will be connected, you have to tap on them. Go for the settings, and there is one important thing. If you don't have this option here, you have to get the latest update of your firmware. After that, after update, you will get this option, and as you can see there's the current version of the update, and with this version you will get this option. So go for the settings, and here you can enable or disable this option by tapping on the switcher, and here you got also a description. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.